Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on the Binance P2P trade, okay, or using the Binance P2P method. Alright, so from your desktop or your mobile, just head on to trade and then go to P2P. Then we will be buying USDT. Okay, let's close this ones. I'll select my currency, which is Ghana cedis. Okay, refresh. Read the instructions and then click on I have read and agree to the above content. We click on confirm. Now this is just a video, so I'm not going to buy any much crypto, right? I'm going to buy like 6 USDT just to show you guys how it's done. Okay, 6 USDT. Okay, so what you have to do is you send the person the money, then in return the person will send you the crypto after verifying that everything is in order. Okay, click on buy USDT. Okay, now this is where you are going to enter the amount of crypto you want to buy from the person. Okay, so I want to buy, let's see, I want to buy all his USDT. Alright, so how much is he having? Where is it? Can't find it. Okay, I think now he's having 1.74 USDT. I don't think I can buy it from him anymore. Okay, so let's look for another person. Okay, let's buy from let's see. Okay, let's go to another page. Okay, so let's buy from this guy. Okay, let's buy from this guy, RYX Rex or whatever he calls himself, from 14 cedis to 3,240 cedis. So the amount we are buying falls within this range. Okay, so let's click on buy USDT. Then I'm going to buy, let's say, 5.50 USDT. So this is the amount I'm going to send it to the person. Alright, so after that you click on buy USDT. Okay, successfully placed order. Now it will take us to the payment page where we are going to see his phone number, how we are going to do the transaction and all that stuff. Okay, so let me just start chatting to know if he's online or not. Okay, say hello, are you available for trade? Okay, so I need to hear from the person to know if he's online or maybe he's offline. I normally wait for like 5 minutes, and I don't hear from the person, then I'll go to another person. Okay, I don't want to send my money to the wrong person for the wrong reason. Okay. Okay, so he says yeah, she's online. Okay, so this is the full name, his mobile money full name. I'm using the MT mobile money method. Okay, so this is a full name and this is a phone number. Okay, so the mobile money number should have this name on it. When it's the opposite, then you have to cross check, or else your funds will be lost. Alright, So let me send it to let me switch on to let me go to my phone and then do the transaction. After that I will continue from there. Okay. So I hope you know how to send mobile money to a mobile money user or vendor or anything. Okay, so let me just skip that part and then do the transaction. After that I'll continue from there. Okay, so I've made the payment. Alright, so after that click on transfer, notify seller. Okay, so that's it, everything is in order. Confirm payment. Alright, to let the person know that indeed you have made the transaction, you will cross check, and if he finds out that everything is in order, you've really made the payment, he will release the crypto to you. That's it. Let's wait and see what comes up next. Right, so let's refresh and see if everything is in order. Okay. Alright, so the order has been completed. Alright, the order has been completed. Okay, so let me check my my wallet and see if I've really received my crypto. The method is the same for mobile device, right? You don't have to worry. It's the same method. Okay, let's see. Funding. Okay, so I've really received my crypto. Alright, 551.5.514 blah 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 blah. Alright, so that's it. That's how you trade on Binance P2P. It's very easy. Okay, you just have to follow the steps, watch the video over and over again to be able to fully understand the process. Alright, so thank you for watching, thank you for sticking around. See you in my next video. Take care.